If you've been using Notion for a while but you feel like you're still stuck at the beginner level, this video is going to help you level up fast. Today, I'll show you the essential tips and tricks you need to become a true Notion pro. Someone who can build smooth systems, automate workflows, and make Notion feel effortless. Let's start with one of the most powerful habits, mastering the slash command. Pros almost never touch the mouse. Instead, they type, for everything, creating databases, inserting toggles, adding images, even creating synced blocks. When you start using the slash command, you'll move through Notion twice as fast. Try typing slash and search for block, template, callout, or table view. The more you use it, the more shortcuts you'll discover. Next, become comfortable with database views. A Notion pro doesn't build separate pages for everything. Instead, they use a single database with multiple views depending on what they need to see. For example, a task database can have a table for detailed planning, a board for a Kanban workflow, a calendar for deadlines, and a list view for quick reviews. All of them pull from the same data, just presented in different ways. This helps you avoid clutter and keeps everything connected. Now let's move into Relations and Rollups, two features that instantly make your setup smarter. A relation lets you connect two databases, like linking tasks to projects. A rollup lets you pull information from that relation, like showing how many tasks are still open for a project or calculating the total cost of items linked to a budget category. These two features are what turn Notion from a simple notes app into a real information system. Another pro trick is using templates inside databases. Instead of manually filling in fields every time you create a new task, meeting note, or content idea, create a database template. Add your format once, headings, checklists, tags, and then duplicate it instantly when you need it. This saves time and keeps your workflow consistent. Let's talk about organization. Pros rely on minimal design. They use clean icons, simple titles, and a consistent structure. A Notion pro doesn't have 50 pages on the sidebar. They use dashboards. For example, a home dashboard with links to tasks, notes, goals, finances, and projects makes your workspace feel intentional and easy to navigate. To take it even further, learn keyboard shortcuts. Press space to open quick search, use CMD or Ctrl+P to jump anywhere in your workspace, and use CMD or Ctrl+Shift+L to toggle dark mode instantly. Notion becomes a lot smoother when your hands barely leave the keyboard. Finally, experiment. The fastest way to become a Notion pro is to build small systems, break them, rebuild them, and see what works. Start with one area of your life, maybe tasks, maybe school, maybe content planning, and design a setup that works for you. Not every setup needs to be aesthetic or complex. It just needs to make your day easier. And that's how you become a Notion pro. Master the slash command, use multiple database views, connect your information with relations and rollups, rely on templates, keep your workspace clean, use shortcuts, and keep experimenting. The more you build, the better you get. Now go try these out and watch your Notion skills level up instantly.